Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my St. Patrick's Day Stitch Marker Advent by Ellie Leva, and I am on day 3. Shout out to my brother, happy birthday. It's his birthday today. It's the big 4-0. So, let me find day 3. Okay, I have day 3. They're getting a little mixed up then. Alright, remind you what the last 2 days are. This is, day 1 is the rainbow, day 2 is the clover. So let's take a look at day 3. Oh, and I gotta show you the sticker. And it says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." I'm not Irish, I'm German. But that's all good. Okay. Let's get this one open. I'm excited. Oh, I love it. I love the green. Oh, how pretty is that? That is beautiful. Yes, I likes it. And I'll show you. I'm gonna put it on my ring. Again, like all the others, it is a lever back. I love lever backs. I find the lever backs easier to use than the lobster claws. Now I do use lobster claws, but the lever backs are easier for me. They just are. So that is so cool. It's kind of, I can show you. It's kind of flat on one side. It's kind of flat. It's cool. So we have 1, 2, and 3. There we go. All right. Well, thank you guys. Please join me tomorrow for day 4. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning and happy birthday, big little bro. Bye now.